Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can take partial profit on Bitunix, so let's get straight into it. Now you basically, let's predict that you are now in this trading uh, zone right here. Now to take some partial profit, you will go here to the sell option, and right down here you see this bar from 0% to 100%, and right here you just simply set 25%, 50, 75, or everything in between, and this will sell partial profit basically to your account. So you will sell 25% of Ethereum, and with this kind of way you will take partial profit from it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next